Hi, we are from the big group. We want to present our presentation about testing grammar. This is a perfect concept for testing grammar, especially in 2020. This is combination between Grammar Quest and Samsung Smart TV. Before presenting our presentation, first we want to introduce our member. The first is me, myself, Ayu Putri Dwi.E.
Kalian Alfitriana Puspa A. And me, Devika Meiriza.
Background of the study for testing grammar in 2020 is that the significant technology development in 2020 will reach on the top. Many experts predict that the use of smart technology widely increase up to 20-fold. Internet will evolve, becoming instant communication tool without limitation of time, place and distance. Therefore, in 2020 will be found online software application rather than human itself. Not only do smart TV and smartphone have voice control, cognitive system, face recognition, hologram system and motion control, but all gadget will be equipped with them. The development of technology also influenced the Indonesia education system in 2020. It highly adopts those smart technology by implementing the appropriate application for teaching and texting, especially for English component. One of the best application for testing grammar is using Grammar Quest. Grammar Quest is a useful application that allows students to practice English grammar through different quests and exercises. The program includes 100,000 exercises covering word choice, parts of speech, subject-verb agreement, phrases, and among others related to testing grammar. The way employing Grammar Quest are. The way employing Grammar Quest are: first, log in to the Grammar Quest application. Second, Choose the topic that will be tested. One topic may consist of some subtopics. Third, the participant can directly play the grammar quest and choose the correct answer. But, if the answer is wrong, the score will be decreased. Despite the fact that Grammar Quest is very interesting to test grammar in 2013, there is foresight concept to modify it in order to adjust testing grammar for digital native students in 2020. This foresight concept will be realized as XGI Quest. Voice control and motion control are the main considerable system in making XGI Quest application. This concept is taken from Samsung Smart TV that employs voice control and motion control which its successes eclipse others' television. Then, it will be combined the excess of Samsung Smart TV and Grammar Quest application. In this case, voice control will be widely used to test grammar thoroughly. Meanwhile, the best choice to test grammar in written answer is using motion control system.
Jika Anda bisa masuk ke dalam televisi masa depan, Anda akan menemukan cara baru untuk browsing dan cara baru dalam berkomunikasi. Masa depan telah dimulai dengan Samsung Smart TV.
Objective of discovering Grammar Quest. It has significant objective and function. First, facilitating students to employ this application as the testing grammar every when and everywhere from their gadget. Second, making teacher easier to score, because this application will automatically score the student's answer. Methodology. The application of Grammar Quest is provided in any given of-course teacher website. Therefore, students will be easier to access this application from that website from their gadget by using a valuable password and username. There are some steps to operate that application. First, to test grammar orally. There are some ways to test grammar orally by using this application. The students follow the instructions on the Grammar Quest and answer it orally. This application will automatically detect and score their spoken answer based on grammar components, semantic, syntax, and morphology, whether their answer is appropriate in those components or not. Second, to test grammar in written form, the student have to follow the instruction quest in it. Before answer it, the student have to comprehend it in a deep understanding, because the answer can't not be repeated. C. In every appropriate or not appropriate answer based on grammar components, this application will score differently. This application also equipped with face recognition. Its function to recognize whether the participant is really the student of the institution or not. This concept is also taken from Samsung Smart Television. The way how to score. Some components to score grammar. First, form or morphology. Second, meaning or semantic. Third, pattern or syntax. To give appropriate score for grammar evaluation, this application must contain indicator assessment having some criteria. First, students can answer using excellence morphology, syntax and semantic. The score 81 up to 100. Second, students can answer using good morphology, syntax and semantic. The score 61 up to 80. Third, students can answer using fair morphology, syntax and semantic. The score 41 up to 60. Fourth, students can answer using poor morphology, syntax and semantic. The score 21 up to 40. Fifth, students can answer using very poor morphology, syntax and semantic. The score 0 up to 20. Grammar consists of three main components. They are morphology, syntax and semantic, and each component contains some subcomponents. Morphology consists of 1. Inflectional affixes, 2. Derivatio affixes, 3. Blending, 4. Compounding, 5. Acronym. Syntax consists of 1. Structure of modification, 2. Structure of predication, and 3. Structure of complementation. In semantic component, every context must be using appropriate sentence, in order to avoid misunderstanding and misconception. For example, for daily activities must be using present tense,